Acer Extensa 15 lightweight laptop in color black. It comes with Windows 11 OS and weighs 1.7 kilograms. The laptop runs on 11th Gen Intel Core i3 processor that delivers instant responsiveness to get the job done. It comes with pre-installed Windows 11 OS Home Edition that ups the user experience. With 8 GB of RAM, which is expandable up to 12 GB, the Acer laptop allows good multitasking without any load. This, combined with Intel UHD graphics, improve the overall image output. The Acer laptop comes with 512 GB of SSD storage that offers good space to store your important files and gives fast performance. The laptop comes with a lithium-ion cell battery that gives a solid battery life of an average of 8 hours. Thanks to the 15.6 inches Full HD screen with narrow borders, you get to see more of the screen. To protect your eyes from harmful blue light, the laptop also includes Acer Blue Light Shield. The Acer laptop features dual inbuilt stereo speakers that delivers clear audio. Combined with optimized digital webcam and microphone, it gives enhanced video conferencing experience. It comes with enterprise-level security and manageability with firmware supervisor passwords, BIOS user, and Kensington lock to provide physical protection to your data. The laptop sports Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 5 connectivity for fast pairing and internet access. There is one USB 2.0 port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and a HDMI port as well.